Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll be going over Snakeware, a Linux distro with a Python-based user space. Alright, let's get started. So, funny thing, if you're looking at the time between the intro and the recording I'm doing right now, you will notice a big gap. The reason? I've already tried to record the segment, this segment of the video, and I was actually using a VM for this. I was using the fully compiled version, and it was just unbearably slow. Yeah, I'm just going to showcase the UI using Snakeware. We're running at 0 FPS, and the max is 3. Oh, this is bad. It jumped to 33 for a second. It's right here, so yeah. We're actually going to be using this. I have no idea what sound I just made. So I've already cloned it. I'm just going to open up CMD. I'm going to cd clone get stuff, Snakeware, SnakeWM. Not Snakeware. I don't want to compile it. SnakeWM. And now I can type in Python wm.py. And we should just... Oh, seriously? Okay, let me quickly install Pygame GUI. So Python-m pip install Pygame GUI. Okay, there you go. So, collecting Pygame GUI. Okay, finally installed. That took a lot longer than I expected it to. Hello from the Pygame community. Got a black screen, and this is SnakeWM, so it just looks like a completely blank screen. However, if I press the super key, which is the Windows key, then we get a menu. Now it automatically opens up the start menu, so if I ever want to do that without opening the start menu, you should just be able to press Alt and then the Windows key. Yep, that's working. So first of all, let's take a look at some of these things. So we have clocks, fun, games, system, and tools. So let's take a look at clock. There's a clock, Berlin, clock, stopwatch, text. I'm not going to take a look at all these, but I am interested in clock. Okay, it's just a normal clock. And stopwatch. So start. Save time. Oh, how? Wait. No way, that was perfect. Okay. So... next we have fun. So there's bus, cell, dazzler, earth, MIDI, music player, piano, and speak and spell. So I want to take a look at music player. So it looks like we have some music. It says no copyright music, so I should be able to just play it on video. Huh? Pygame.air. Failed loading lib vorbis file -3.d. Allow the specified module cannot be found. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna rerun this. So I guess that won't work. Press pressed the wrong thing. I don't know. Been searching. So games. So we have Maze, Maze 3D, Pong, and Zap. Let's take a look at Pong. Also just Pong. Oh, no. Bounce back. No. Who am I playing against? No. Oh, okay, so it's like, how do I move? How do I move? Wait, if I press A, S, okay, so S is so W and S are for that player, and the arrow keys are for this one. Okay, so I'm just playing ping ball against myself. Oh, okay. Okay. Bounce it back. Okay. So that is games. I'm not really interested in Maze 3D and all that stuff. So system. We have Snake, WM, FPS, Help, Ramon, I guess, Reboot, Shutdown, and Sysmon. So first one, go to FPS. It just shows our FPS. The max was 90 FPS. However, I am looking at this on a 60 hertz display, so I can't really see a difference. We also have Help. So I wonder what that does. Oh, okay. So it's just showing. This is just a help screen. Okay. I have no idea what this is supposed to be. So Snake O'Clock is an analog clock that displays the time in a small window. It is based on the Nbhd clock code, but modified with a modified dial design and caching of the empty dial image for better performance. The high game GUI related stuff is taken from Dance.Py. And then it's just the author and then everything else. This looks pretty in depth. Sysmon. Oh, okay. Let's take a look at some of the other things. So Sysmon looks like it's a system, and I forgot what mod stands for. Oh, you're kidding! Another error. What happens if we open up Ramon? It's probably gonna error out again, right? Ramon. Yeah, I did the exact same thing. So, what else is there to check? I don't want to exit. I don't want to reboot or shut down. So let's look at tools. We have background color, background image, snake calc, and snake term. Let's take a look at background color. So you can change the background color using HSV or RGB. So I want to make this a bit orange. How do you make orange? Oh, okay, so. Ooh, okay. Nice, it's not like the orange in my logo, but it's still pretty bright. We have background image. Okay, so I think this allows you to add a background image. I have made some background images, so maybe if I just keep going up. Yeah, so now I can access my machine. Pictures. Now, where is it? Clouds. It's called Clouds. I click OK, and there's my background. Really nice. And the last tool that we had, the last two, Snake Calc. So is it just a calculator? I wonder if this does the 0.1 plus 0.2 thing. Not percent sign. Does backspace work? Yeah, it's just gonna error out. Yeah, error. So 0. How do you? Oh, C is a C button. Okay. So 0.1 plus 0.2 equals. Okay, yeah, so it's the exact same thing. And the last tool is Snake Terminal. I'm assuming this is a terminal. Yeah, so I wonder, can I do? ls, ls. Oh, okay, so it looks like what this does is that it's just a Python terminal. So I can literally, from OS, import, I forgot what it was called. So I can import OS. It's not working, okay. Import OS. Print OS. Okay, I have honestly no idea what this is supposed to do. I think it's a Python terminal. But yeah, this has been a look at Snakeware. Now I do have some recommendations for the author or the creator. So first of all, instead of having this, maybe you can have something like a traditional operating system where you have a taskbar, maybe a menu bar up top. Maybe you decide to go the Ubuntu way and have like all your apps on the side or something. I don't know, something so that I don't have to keep clicking Alt Super so that I can access this menu. But yeah, that's the only recommendation I have. That's Snakeware. Oh, come on. More errors. Okay, so that's been it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. That's it for me today. Goodbye.